Hey, hi guys. So today I'm going to review a movie called Maharaja, which is a Tamil movie. A lot of people might have heard about this movie. This is already creating a ripple among the netizens, and also to a lot of, it's having a very wide appeal to the audience. Now, before starting this review, I would say there are some spoilers. So, if you haven't watched this movie and planning to watch this movie, then you can probably stop this review here and you can go and watch it. For them who have already watched that movie, I would say that I'm sure that you have shared my thoughts, and the movie was quite thought provoking and was very, very, very well made. In fact, I haven't seen a movie made in Indian cinema for quite a long time. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये ऐसा मूवी पहले बना नहीं है. ऐसे थीम पे बहुत सारे मूवीज बने हैं, लेकिन इसका जो स्क्रीन प्ले है, द स्क्रीन प्ले एंड द वे इट इज बिन टोल्ड टू द ऑडियंस इज माइंड बॉगलिंग. तो इससे पहले मैं आगे जाऊं, मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूं कि इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस मूवी एज हिंदी डब्ड, प्लीज़ डू नॉट watch it in Tamil version. If you do not understand Tamil, I mean, you can just see the subtitles. That is something that will give you the idea what exactly is going on. Because I think there's somewhere the emotions or the misinterpretations happen. Not exactly misinterpretation. There's something called lost in translation that happens when you're seeing the Hindi dubbed one. So it's better that you watch it the actual language. And the other thing is, if you can, always keep your mind open while watching this movie, because there's so many breadcrumbs about this movie which has been thrown to the audience. Okay, coming to the movie, the plot is very simple as it starts with. ठीक है, इसका जो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है वो बहुत ही सिंपल है और बहुत ही सिली सा है. So the time when you start watching this movie, you think that you are on a ride for a very light-hearted and kind of like a comedy movie, जो ये है नहीं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ स्पॉइलर. इट इज अ कंप्लीट डिफरेंट मूवी, जो कि इट विल टेक यू टू अ डिफरेंट रेल्म ऑल टुगेदर. क्योंकि सी दिस मूवी स्टार्ट्स विद अ गाय who comes to the police station and says, I want to write a missing report. I want to FIR about a thing that is missing from my place. And seems some thieves have come to his place and stole his कूड़ादान, his dustbin, which makes no sense. लेकिन वो then he'll explain the things कि क्या होता है, that particular dustbin has a very intense and very emotional connection with him, because apparently his daughter was saved by that dustbin, which they have shown in the flashback. And that is what it is. That is where you see this whole thing is going into a direction, and then suddenly it changes direction. And the last 40 minutes of the movie will literally mess with your brain. Like, then you'll start, or ये movie ऐसा है, it has so many layers. Like, the layers are, impenetrable at one point of time. Now the thing is, because at some point of time it misguides the audience as well, because उन लोगों को लगता है कि वो कोई डिफरेंट ही मूवी देख रहे हैं, मतलब डिफरेंट जॉनर या डिफरेंट थीम की मूवी देख रहे हैं. By the time they realize it's a different theme, it's completely like the audience completely caught off guard, and when it starts moving that direction, which is just outstanding. मतलब I have seen this kind of movies in Hollywood. आई वुड से अगर आप लोग देखेंगे तो फिर कुछ लोग को ऐसा लगेगा कि शायद कुछ कोरियन ड्रामाज में भी ऐसे मूवीज आए हैं. एंड ऑल्सो देयर आर सम मूवीज इन वेरियस, आई वुड से दृश्यम, दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड. बट all those movies are very audience are already know what they are getting, right? The deal is simple for the audience. Here the deal is not simple. It'll start from somewhere and it'll go to somewhere else. And when it starts revealing the secrets one by one, people are just literally edge on their seat. I started watching this movie yesterday at Netflix. When I checked the IMDb rating, it was 8.7, and I was wondering why. Because obviously Vijay Sethupathi is there in the movie, so I was having that hope that yes, it will be one of the better movies that I'll be watching. But then when it started and when the entire sequence start unraveling, it was mind-boggling. I would say I'll give all 5 stars to this movie. Highly recommended. Go and watch it. Vijay Sethupathi once again proved he's one of the master actor right now in Indian cinema. Anurag Kashyap, I personally don't like Anurag Kashyap, but maybe because there are a lot of people who said he's a very toxic guy, so he probably bringing out his toxicity in this villainous role, which kind of have this effect here. So both of the central characters have acted superbly, no doubt about it. The other parts where the other characters have played their role, that is also very neatly been played. Every trivial character played their part very, very, very well. And though the story revolves around dustbin, don't be fooled, it's not about the dustbin. Though at some point of time, audience started to believe that yeah, it may be a play thing of emotional value to him. That's why he's going, away from his comfort zone. He's just going and doing things actually extraordinary to get that dustbin back. But don't be fooled, it is not about the dustbin. So cheers, go and watch it. Thank you.